Of the day, we're finally back at the tilt bed that I need to change the hinges out on. Everything's off and good. Use the grade awl to move this around, and then I'm gonna pick up the back end. I think both those hinges are completely broken, so my plan is to lift the whole thing up, put some blocking, make sure it doesn't fall down on me, and then start cutting the hinges off. Let's get to it. Ball attachments on. Let's move this thing. A little bit different maneuvering than a forklift because it's all 4 tires, so we're learning. And straight back. We got her turned around and the whole world decided it wanted to rain today. Let's get this ball off, lift it up, see if the hinges are completely broken off. If they are, I can just lift it straight up. All mount is off. Should be able to just kick these over. Let's lift her up, see what it does. That is raising the whole thing. Set her down gently. Let's see what I need to cut. That one's off. That one's holding on. Oh, I just need to cut the bottom of the hinge. Set her down, get underneath there, cut it with a flat disc, and it should just release everything. Take pressure off everything, get underneath there and cut it. Park on? Did I leave park on? Park's on, good. Look at this new mask I got. It's an absolute beauty of a grinder mask. I think it's made by Jackson. Check my beautiful face. All right, let's cut this up here. One piece is off. Is that piece not cut all the way through? There we go, that piece cut all the way through. That one might still be holding on. Got the bottom piece cut off. Let's see if that fixes it. Come on, get me out of here. And driver's side. We're close, see if that works. Once I can lift this up and get to those hinge bases. Looks like that's about as high as I can go without cutting wiring. Let me look out from the other side. Might be a harness that I can disconnect right there. Put some blocking in, make sure it's not gonna pinch me, and I'll see if I can get in there. Let's get tires off. Driver's side's off. Driver's side coming off. Passenger side coming off. Sweet. All right, I can get into it now. Next plan is to make some safety stuff. I got 2 of these that I made up for when I work on dump trailers. I think I'm gonna cut them down and then make sure I can have a solid point, 2 solid points to the ground, and then kind of shore up anything so I don't get smashed when I'm trying to cut everything. All right, first set of blocks, I got my big pieces of oak that I have on either side, and I'm gonna work on the back safety. I need to measure this, cut it down. I think I'm going to go to this piece. That way I have enough room for being able to cut and weld. So 38 inches, and I can drop it down 1/4 inch. Go from there, 38 inches. And it's in my pocket all the way in my waterproof pants. Oh, this side, I think I'm gonna go 38.5. This side's a little kicked up. 38.5, passenger side. Down the jack feet, undone. Then I'll weld some plate on the bottom of that. And second one. Sweet! I think it's gonna be time to buy some work rain boots after this. Might have to retire these ones. All right, I got it. Foot plates, backing it on. No, I think I just burned the fucking... Nope, we got it. I need a new tip. Let's see if it'll work with this tip, but I might need to change the tip out. Let's see what... Have to be clean, just need to be able to hold the foot plate on there so it doesn't go into the ground. Next one. Yeah, come on, cat. Thank you. Cat. Probably because I didn't clean it before I welded this. Oh well. Come on, baby. Come on, just get through. I just need a good foot to hold on. That's how it's welded on. Come on, baby. Pride. At least a foot will hold on. See if this works. I got both don't dies in place. Let's drop it down, make sure it holds its own weight. That way I don't have to rely on the grade awl. Coming down nice and slow. All right, it's under its own weight. Absolutely golden. I might need to hit that out just a little bit, but under its own weight, and I have this as a backup. Absolutely beautiful. I'm safe. Got boards in there. I'm not gonna get smashed. I have the grade awl as backup. 4 points of contact. Let's start cutting all this stuff out. When you can't send a photo, it's time to put the Starlink dish up. I'm so happy I bought this. Just trying to send photos to customers. Getting everything set up right now. I'm gonna take this board out right here. If I can get it out, it might be swollen from all the rain and water. So, how can I get this out? I might need 2 pry bars. Yeah, 2 pry bars. I don't have another screw in here, do we? Don't think so. Pretty sure I got them all out. Come on, baby. Just need that front piece to come out. It's swollen from the rain. Ouch, just pinched my finger. Don't have any room. It would probably help if I took all the fasteners out. Just had one holding everything in. All All right, board is out. I can get to the top of the hinge. I just wanted to look where this was and then realign it when I go to weld everything. All right, I get everything checked off the list. Safety's in there. If I can get to that inner top of the hinge, I'm gonna start cutting the old hinges off the bottom. You can see right where it broke. Let's get it. All right, I got that side almost all done. And I'm gonna cut off wheel as much as I can, get ready for tomorrow. Keep going. All right, day one done. I'll be back here in the morning. We're on day 2. I completely forgot. I just kind of dove into work. But I got all the hinges cut out. I'm just trying to clean everything up. It is absolutely pissing on me. Brought my pop-up today though, so. But hinges go. I'm just getting everything ready to be able to start welding everything out. One hinge is set, passenger side's ready to go. Work on the driver's side. And driver's side, cut. Just gotta weld everything out. It's square to the frame. Oh, I gotta clean the top here, but everything's set. Just gotta drop the frame on there, weld the tops, but I'm gonna weld the bases on first. Everything's tacked on, let's get after it. It's coming down, boys. All right, I got driver's side all welded out. Down, back around, move to the passenger side, get this thing done. I ran out of wire in the middle of that. Some wire in. All right, wire fed back in. Let's go. Front, back, side to side, everything's welded out. Good, let's get underneath it. I've just accepted that I'm gonna be soaked after this, so we'll just fucking get after it. Bottom's done and welded. Just gotta drop her down on the hinges and then weld the top. Let's lift it back up, put it on the hinges and weld those things out. Lift her up, throw it in park, pull out all my don't dies. 1 out, 2 out, 3 out, and last one's on the other side. Oh good, it fell off already. Okay, drop it down slowly. Slowly coming down. Let's see if I don't want wires pinching. The wires aren't gonna pinch. I need to hammer the hinges. Oh, water in the eye. I think I got it perfectly. That's even in the front. They're down on the hinges. If I can show that. Yeah, down on the hinges. I'll see the other side and make sure we're good. Oh my gosh, I am getting soaked. I don't think I can got any better than that. Holy moly. Cool, let's get my welder up on the deck and start welding this. We're underneath the shop. Let's do it, baby. Well, let's get that backside going. Don't lift my shop up on me, Mr. Wind. All right, all welding is done. I'm cleaning up welding stuff, and then I gotta put these boards on. I'm gonna check the tilt first, but everything's square, everything's on there. I'll make sure it goes up and down just fine. It's all welded top and bottom. I gotta put tires back on. Almost done. Putting fasteners back in the board. Almost time for a new Torx head. Wrong hole. There we go. Driver side board is in. Doing passenger side now. Missing a couple fasteners. Might still be in the truck. I'm just missing one. I found it. Sitting inside the truck. All right, let's jack the trailer up, put tires on, make sure it tilts. I think it might be time to finally warranty this thing out. I've beaten the living crap out of this. Great tool, just loose on the hammerhead. So I'll bring that in today and get it warranted. Good, driver side tires on. Let's get this side up. Hopefully I can pull the jack. Going up. I got everything on there. I did tilt it. My camera died, so I'll show the tilt. I rewired the back. Both hinges work. Everything's good. I'm gonna turn this trailer around and then showing it going up and down. I did test it off camera though. Hope this great all's 4-wheel drive. Get it, buddy. Yeah. We hooked in. Let's go. All right, let's set her down right here and I'll show the tilt. Parking on. There we go. 2 new hinges. Everything works. Everything's square. Well, it goes up, goes down. And down. Secure. And she's back home. Park the great all and be done. Fucking getting soaked, bud. She's done.
I also got payment link.
Oh, for sure. I'll send it over.
Have a good
Dude, hell yeah, man. You too. This trailer's done. I'm on to the next. I had dry clothes. Thank you for my amazing wife. Let's get out of here.